Hi everyone, I'm a meditation coach. So I'm actually just finished my walk, so I'm actually sorry, a bit messy, but I just want to tell you how to meditate as a beginner. You need to focus on breathing work first. Breathing work is very important to center yourself and to relax yourself and to calm yourself down. So first thing first, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Second will be your palms work, okay? No need to do this, no need to do what like this, okay? No need, just palms up, put on your lap, and then just relax. And then breathe in, breathe out, breathe in again, breathe out. Thirdly, you can time your phone, right? It could be like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, up to you to start. You can do this every day, or you can wake up early like me, 5 a.m. just to do it, because I don't want to be disturbed by my phone, because my WhatsApp will be ping, 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 starting from 7 a.m. onwards. So start trying it and let me know how you feel. Thank you so much for watching. Meditate every day. You will see the difference for yourself.